Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Love. Today, we are going to be doing some exploring in nature. Ooh, how fun. We will observe the pattern in leaves. So, what is a pattern? Let's think about that. While we're thinking, let's watch this video.
What is the holdup? Shading artists at the salad bar, they just get a little too involved. Is it a fractal?
I think so. The puffy shade repeats itself. Oh, maybe we should talk about this somewhere else.
I'm Beth. I'm a shading artist.
And I'm Anna. I'm also a shading artist. This lesson is about patterns, which we use in shading all the time.
Shading is creating the surface appearance of all the stuff you see in our films. Cars, bugs, trees, aliens. They all start out as modeled three-dimensional objects, but they don't have surface characteristics yet.
We create and apply the textures that make our characters and sets seem like they're made out of something real.
The word seem is really important here, because we're not trying to recreate reality exactly.
We're trying to capture the essential qualities of a surface that make it feel believable.
And a lot of times, that quality is actually a pattern.
When we begin creating a surface, we usually start by looking at reference images or things from the real world.
We look at a few different qualities: color, illumination, which is how the surface reacts to light, and displacement, how bumpy or smooth it is.
Let's talk about how we did that with Arlo. In The Good Dinosaur, Arlo was supposed to feel young and fresh. We actually used a succulent plant called Titanopolis as a reference for his skin. Looking closely at the plant, we were able to deconstruct what made it feel right for Arlo. First of all, there was a series of cells that formed the main feature of the pattern. In terms of color, these cells had one color in the cell itself, and the ring around the cell was a darker color. The surface of the plant was shiny, but it wasn't a sharp shine, it was a soft shine. Finally, the cells that made up the main pattern were displaced from the surface, so it was kind of bumpy. Once we figured out these main features, we started creating a pattern. However, to make the pattern feel organic, we needed to...
Okay. So, today we're going to explore that same aspect of pattern in leaves. A pattern can also repeat itself, right? And so that's what's happening here. They looked at those reference objects to determine what the pattern would be when they created these characters.
Right. Let's see if we can find that answer. Now, Science Guy, what do you have in your hand?
That is a great question, Miss Holub. I'm glad you asked. I have a magnifying glass, or also known as a hand lens. See, I put it in my hand.
All right, and what are we going to use our hand lens for?
To look closely at the leaves.
Very good. Let's do that. Let's see, I've got lots of leaves here. You want to find a leaf that is already on the ground, because we don't want to pull them. Aha! What about this one?
Oh, nice choice, Miss Holub.
Let's go down. Let's have a look. Ooh, what do you notice in that leaf? Let's look a little closer, shall we? Yeah, I see it has some lines. And what else? I see that it is a little crunchy. It fell on the floor or the ground. Let's pick up another leaf to compare. Oh, this one also is crunchy and also has some lines. Pick up one more. Oh. This one looks a little folded, but it's still crunchy and it still has lines. What do you notice when you look at the leaves? Science Guy? Where are you? Oh my gosh, he's down. Are you okay, Science Guy?
I was just looking at the leaves really close.
I see. And you want to tell us what you saw?
Absolutely. When I was looking, I found that some of the leaves looked pointed and some of the leaves looked round.
Ooh, can you get all the pointed leaves together?
Oh, of course, Miss Olive. I accept the challenge.
Oh, let's find some pointed leaves. Is a pointed leaf? Yeah, some tips at the end, doesn't it? So we'll put that in a pile. Is the pointed leaf? Yes. Is this a pointed leaf? Well, it looks kind of oval, but there is a tip at the top. All right, boys and girls, it's your turn. I want you to go on a scavenger hunt and look for patterns in leaves.
Miss Olive, can we stay out here? I'm having so much fun.
Sure. All right, tell everybody bye.
Bye, everybody. Have fun learning. Don't forget you use your hand lens.
Bye, guys.
All right. So your assignment is to record a video just like I did, exploring patterns in leaves and telling me what you noticed. And why is this important, Miss Holub? That is probably what you're thinking. This is important so you will know in life when something will happen next, or you can predict when something will happen next. Like when you have your daily schedule you follow every day. What comes after breakfast? What assignment do you do? And then you'll know and you'll be able to be prepared. All right, that's it for today. Bye, guys. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.